We asked court to order government to account for these people because for two reasons. One, government has a duty to account for every person who is within the borders of Uganda. Whether that person is in prison, whether that person is kidnapped by a mafia group within the state, government has a duty to account. That duty, court did not address it. We know previously we had the Minister of Internal Affairs saying in Parliament that some of these people could have exited the country. Government is not supposed to speculate, and we thought that court would compel government to account. Fortunately, court did not say that these people have never existed. We all agree, like government agrees, that these people have never existed. The Attorney General, in reply, relied on different police officers who said that these people have never been in the registers of any police station. We all know that when our people, or all Ugandans, are abducted and taken in ungazetted places, like the several hundreds that we've been able to rescue in the last couple of years, none of them is registered in the police station. It's only the police and prisons who keep registers. All other facilities don't keep registers. In fact, many times they are put through police for purposes of sanitizing the exit. Secondly, these people, the relatives you see here, all describe to court the manner in which their loved ones were arrested, which is the same manner in which all the others, including those that you know, like Achileo, who was released recently, have been arrested by people in civilian wear, holding guns, driving cars which are many times not government cars. Sometimes they don't even have number plates. In some cases, these people were arrested with other people, like Damulida. He was arrested with the son, who was released. I think even Lukwago Martin was arrested with other people who have since been released. So we also put this before court to show that these people were arrested in the same manner like all others have been arrested, some of whom even the government has denied before, like the gentleman called Kaiwa Alex. Lawyers came to court, government lawyers, and said he's not in our custody, and 2 months later was released from state custody. So court dismissed their case on one ground, saying that one, the relatives you see here did not prove that these people have ever been in state custody. We thought that that was a failure of duty, because there was one question which court left hanging. If these Ugandans cannot get an answer from court, if government cannot account for where their loved ones are, who should answer? That's a question that court left for us, that left for the people who went to court. And we all know that court should give every person who goes before it a remedy. So if these people have ever existed, if Rukwago, Angolo, Damulida, Kanata have ever existed, who should account for them?
John Damulida, who went missing in 21st November 2020. My brother John was abducted from Seka Market at around 12. Everybody was, it was daytime, everybody was around, everybody witnessed armed men with masks and guns abducting my brother. I wonder how the judge Ambayo decided to give us a bad ruling like that one. How can you say that there's no evidence? How can you get evidence coming here to people with guns? Everybody had to run away. So that ruling was very, very, very bad to us, and he has annoyed us. These are his wives, but they are suffering, looking after children. It's very hard. As you know, these days, money is not easy to get. So I asked the government to bring back our people, and we are not going to give up demanding our people until they bring back our people. Dead or alive, we are not going to stop demanding our people.
To deny people justice and to oppress them further and to sanitize impunity. Because as the world knows, and Council Mosisi has mentioned it, that the Prime Minister of the country, Honorable Nabanja, came out openly and acknowledged that they have Chibalama John Bosco. She mentioned it on national TV. You all are aware that General Museveni, in one of his communications, read out the names of those people abducted. And their loved ones got hope that maybe their people will be presented in a competent court and prosecuted. But that was the last that they heard of them. Also, Government Minister Jeje Odong presented a list that had those people. Unfortunately, all those were not considered by the court, by the Judge Nambayo, when she was, making that ruling. You all remember that Damulira's son was abducted with a father. For him, he was able to return, and he narrated the whole ordeal. And some of our comrades that were able to return informed us that these people were there, some tortured badly, but all that, the judiciary does not seem to take note of it.